All right, I have a quick presentation here, just called "How to Start Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Investing: The Quickest and Easiest Way to Get into Cryptocurrency Investing with little to no money." So the reason why I'm going to talk about this is I have a lot of people asking me about what I've been doing lately in the crypto space. I've been invested in crypto since 2017, but there's no time like now to get started, right? So if you don't have much money, crypto is a great way to compound your money, right? So there are a lot of things in finance that have been changed with decentralized finance, and some of that can go directly to you. So what we're going to cover, it's only going to be like 5 minutes. So we're going to cover the problem with business and finance today, decentralized finance and the solution, and getting started, and then your next steps. So the problem with decentralized finance, or the problem with finance today, is that the economy as a whole is mainly fueled by debt and not value creation. So if you want to do something, for example, if you want to go to school, and you're a very smart person, well, unless you get a scholarship, you have to pay to go to school, and it's only the top 1 or 2% that can get a free education. So the average millennial, if they're able to go to school, which I would say the average person that's able to go to university, they're not average. They would be in the top, the top 10% of the income earners in the world, right? But the average person in that group is going to leave school with $30,000 in student loans. Then they're going to have life events, from buying to a house, getting married, which can add $200,000 to $500,000 or more in personal debt. This is in Canada. If you're living in Toronto, it could be $1 million plus in personal debt just for buying a house. And then the problem with that is, these assets could appreciate, but there are places like Alberta where every 5 years there's a boom bust cycle, and your home can go from 400,000 to 200,000, right? So, and the wages are not increasing as fast as inflation. So the average millennial's net worth by age 31 is only $2,093 because they spent their 20s paying off their debt. So some DeFi solutions. So DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and decentralized finance is a term that was coined in cryptocurrency because most cryptocurrencies, the goal is to be decentralized. So you don't have one body like the headquarters in the United States, right? Bitcoin has no owner. It has multiple owners, and those owners as a whole on the blockchain can vote on changes to Bitcoin. Same with Ethereum. Now they can be centralized because a lot of people that invented the coin still own the coin. So it is kind of centralized, but their goal is to eventually be 100% decentralized. So I just have some solutions. So investing in Bitcoin and blockchain and cryptocurrency, the reason why I would start there is I've been investing in stocks since I was a child, and the returns are better on in crypto. Now the losses are faster, the returns are faster, but there are ways to mitigate your risk. So you want to also increase your income. If you can find a way to increase your income, for example, working for a company, maybe you're good in marketing, and you can get a few coins or a percentage of the company to help them do marketing. And there's so many startups. They're looking for people with all different types of skills, mostly programming, but there are all kinds of skills that invest in DeFi and NFT projects. That would be more like angel investing. So you just want to limit your risk by not putting all your eggs in one basket. And then you have staking and mining. So staking and mining is bringing back what we had in the 60s and 70s, which was high interest savings accounts. You can earn 5% to 30% in a safe investment pegged to the US dollar. And then if you take some risk and you are staking or mining coins, you have higher rewards. And then solution 5 is just trying to get to the point where you can decentralize your finance. So when you go to get a car loan, you don't have to go to a bank. When you go to get a mortgage, you don't have to go to a bank. Maybe you can do it on the blockchain with your cryptocurrency gains. So I'm just going to give you some examples of where you can get started today in cryptocurrency. So the first resource I would go to is coinmarketcap.com. And this is the stock market, or the tracker of all of finance. So at the top, you get a market cap, right? 1.8 billion or 1.8 trillion dollars is the market cap. Bitcoin is 61% of that. Ethereum is 12%. That is most of the coins. So you can just go there and check it out. Now, Coinbase is a brokerage, or they would be the bank of cryptocurrency. And so coinbase.com/learn/market updates, they actually give a weekly market update. So Ethereum is up 136%. Bitcoin is up 70% since January 2021. And they give you what the big picture is. They tell you what's a hot trend. So NFTs, which I'll talk about in a later video. But yeah, you can go through this information for free, and it will get you caught up. So what I want to talk about is coinbase.com/earn. So just a second. I have to log in, and it's going to take a second, but let me log into coinbase.com/earn. Okay, we're logged in. So when you have a Coinbase account, what you're going to do is you're going to sign up. They're probably going to ask you for an ID just to identify you. And then they're going to have a site called coinbase.com/earn. So as a newbie, you're going to go here, you're going to sign up for an account, and they're going to actually pay you to learn about crypto. So I've taken some of these courses already, and I've been paid. And others, for example, I earned $3 to learn about the NEBRA network. I earned $3 to learn about NuCypher. So I'm going to do it live, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to start earning some money. So I earned about $60 on this website in cryptocurrencies. So this cryptocurrency is called Compound, and I know about them. So they're an exchange or brokerage, and they take your coins and you can stake them on the brokerage and earn interest for providing liquidity to the system. So Compound, as instead of going on Facebook and spending money on Facebook ads, where Facebook is selling your data, right? They're selling your data to anyone and everyone. They're making billions of dollars, which is a problem outside of finance and in marketing. Compound is offered to pay you $9 to learn instead of paying Facebook the $9, right? So earn interest with Compound. So lesson 1 is $3, and it's a video on how to earn interest.
Lesson number 1, earn interest with Compound. This is Maya. She's a sophisticated crypto investor with assets on exchanges and in private wallets. However, these assets are effectively idle because she's not earning interest on any of them. Her cash savings account pays interest. Why can't her crypto? This is why Compound was created. With Compound, Maya can earn interest on her crypto assets by supplying them to the protocol. Other users can then borrow her crypto, and then they pay interest on the borrowed assets. All of the suppliers and borrowers who use Compound combine to form a series of blockchain-based interest rate markets. When Maya supplies an asset to Compound, it gets added to a global liquidity pool which other users can borrow from by providing collateral up front.
So you're going to watch this video and you're going to learn $3. So what Compound does, as they explained, is they are creating a bank online, and the bank is funded through the people, and the people get to enjoy the lion's share of the profits. So now there's a quiz. So what is the key benefit of using Compound? I'm going to say earning interest using crypto. Boom, I made $3. Right? So now I'm not going to go to the next lesson. You get the point, right? So I just earned $3 with Compound. So if I go to my wallet, on the right hand side, it should show the transactions, and there. So I earned 0.064 Compound, which is the equivalent of $3 US. and there it is, and I received it in my wallet. So now I have $3 to invest in Compound. So yeah, if you go through all of the courses on Coinbase.com, you can earn about $60, which is a good start. But then you also want to, start saving and maybe investing in crypto. So let's go to Compound Finance. I wasn't going to go here, but yeah, we can go to Compound Finance and look, there is $11 billion of assets earning interest across 9 markets. Where you can earn, they're showing all the places that you can earn at, the investors, and what I want to see is the price of Compound. So I got 0.06 of a coin. It's $450 per coin. And I'm not sure if it's going to go up or down, but I would assume if they continue what they're doing and providing value, that coin will go up. So here's the market right now. So if you were to supply that Compound that you just earned, you could make you would make $1 or 1.57% on your Compound token. If you were to provide a US dollar based token, you would earn 2.69% on your Compound tokens, or on your USD coin. And if you were to provide a coin called 𝙏𝙠, which is actually based in US dollars as well, you'd earn almost 7%. Now, if you want to borrow, because you could put your coins in Compound, you could earn 3.6, or you could borrow at 3.6%, which is actually really cheap. You can buy a car with that. So that's how to earn crypto. The second way that you can make money with crypto is by freeing up your data. So StormX, if you install the StormX app on your phone, it's the same as air miles. So you're going to get cash back for your purchases. So things that you already do, like shopping on Amazon, shopping on eBay, you're going to get cash back. So they give you an example. If you're just a regular member and you spend $150 at a shop that offers a 6% crypto cash back, you're going to earn $9 in rewards. So you just want to learn how to move in an ecosystem that benefits you more than the current system. And so places like Coinbase, Compound, and StormX are a great place to start. The next thing on the list, let's go on the list. Staking and mining. So everyone, if you know about Bitcoin, I wouldn't say everyone, but if you know about Bitcoin, you know that it's run on proof of work. And they have these miners doing math all day long to prove the network. So Helium is a company that I found. Actually, I have the logo right here. So Helium is a company that I found that instead of doing proof of work, they're actually providing a service, and they're calling it proof of coverage. So Helium is a Wi-Fi hub that everyone has in their home. And if you can put a Helium Wi-Fi hub in your house and provide Wi-Fi to Internet of Things, which would be something like a dog collar that's providing GPS, phones that drive by, cars and trucks. This is going way over 5 minutes, but I think it's just important to know these things. If you provide this miner and you provide coverage, you will get paid by Helium. So Helium, instead of spending billions of dollars of their own and raising money in the public markets, which is one of the issues, is they raise money on the stock market. They make this network. Once the network is valuable, the stock shoots up, and then they IPO the company, and the company is sold to millennials or sold to the people that don't understand what's going on because it has hype at really crazy prices, and then they cash out. So what Helium is doing is, instead of doing that route, they're having the people power the network. So you can buy one of these miners. There's two options, right? Because I said for little to no money, you can buy one of these miners for $400 US, and then you can mine, and you'll get 100% of the earnings. And because it's on the blockchain, if you were the only miner in your town, you'd make about $40 a month just to host this thing. And the power would be around $20 a year. If there are multiple miners, like places like in Texas, in Calgary, in Toronto, in Vancouver, in Montreal, where everyone's already there, you actually are able to bounce signal off of other Helium networks. So if you go to explorer.helium.com/coverage, actually, I'm just going to extend this video to as long as it takes, right? So if you go to helium.com/coverage, you can actually see, so the blockchain has provided all of this data to the public. You know what everyone's house. So there's one house in Nova Scotia. Oh, now there's two. Interesting. So there was one house in Nova Scotia providing a Helium hotspot. Now there's two. And let's see. If it's earning money yet. No, it's not earning money yet, but that is cool. So there's two in Nova Scotia now. It looks like. If I zoom out, last week there was one. So this network is, oh, never mind. So I wasn't aware of this, but anyways, this is cool. So what you can do is you can go on this blockchain and you can see what these people are earning. I doubt they're earning anything yet because they're new. No, they're not. But it looks like there's 3 new miners on the network. Okay, so let's go to Montreal. So what I want to show you is just the income potential. So anyways, this miner is $450. However, if you don't have $450 to invest in a miner, there's a company that will buy the miner for you. They will put the miner in your house and you will share income with them. It's not that great. It's 80% to them and 20% to you. So if you're making $2,000 a month, they're going to take 80% of it, but it's better than nothing, right? And then maybe you can use those gains. First, it builds confidence and there's no risk. And this is all about being risk-free. So the only thing you're going to waste is time and energy, right? But Ancient White Raccoon is in Montreal, Quebec, right? It looks like it's close to, I don't know these areas in Quebec, but St. Vincent de Paul. Okay, so it's on Montreal Island. So it's on the island, and Ancient White Raccoon is earning 19 Helium tokens per month, right? And they earned 0.11 Helium tokens per month. So the average Helium token So if you look up Helium token price on CoinMarketCap, the average Helium token right now is $6.91, right? So they earn 19, let's say 20. 20 times 7. So that person in Montreal is earning $140 a month for having a miner hooked up to their house, and that's going to pay the yearly power bill. So now you're making, you know, $1,000 a year or $1,100 a year by getting into crypto, and there's no risk, right? If it doesn't work out and that coin goes to zero, well, that miner was free. Now, if you want to go bigger, like what I'm doing, I'm actually going to buy quite a few of these miners and I'm going to place them all over the city, and hopefully they earn a decent income. So that is a second way. So the first way would be to go on. The first thing to do would to be go on Coinbase.com and learn and earn while you learn. The second thing would be get a Helium miner. So the company that provides the Helium miner for free is Emerald. You can look them up on Reddit. You can Google them. There's people on YouTube that do reviews. So Emirates is spending millions of dollars to put miners all over the world. And what you can do is you can go to 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑, right? You can sign up, put your address in. They're going to mail you a helium miner. I would always try and own 100% of the coins, but if you have to start somewhere, this is where you would start. And you would order the miner, start generating tokens, and you can either save, you can invest those tokens into crypto, you can switch it out for Bitcoin, you can do whatever you want. But that's how to get started in crypto with little to no money. We'll just cover the last thing, which is getting started. And it's just an overview. So set up a Coinbase account, go on coinbase.com/earn, then order a helium miner with 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑, and then bookmark the following sites. So CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, ICO drops, and also you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I'm always tweeting about cryptocurrency and blockchain. So that basically concludes my presentation. That's how to get started in crypto with little to no money. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, please like and share with your friends. And you can always review it for future reference. So I'll be coming up with other topics in cryptocurrency because it's booming right now. So I'll be teaching other topics, and it will be mostly DeFi. So that's all I have for today.